How to enable autorun in Darkest Days. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and want your character to keep moving without having to hold movement or sprint button, then here's how you do it. Firstly, open up the Darkest Days game and make sure that you're inside the game. Now go ahead and start moving your character in the direction you want to travel. You'll be able to see this path where you'll need to travel. Now go ahead and place your character in that area and tap on this little run button on the right corner to make your character auto run. And there you go. Your character will then auto run in the location or area. So that's how it's done. When you enable auto run, it's specially used when you are traveling longer distance and don't want to keep holding the movement button. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.